How to change graphics to low in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the graphics and make optimal or best performance. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. So we're in the settings interface. Here on the second option, you'll be able to see graphics. Simply tap on this drop down button. So here, there are mainly three mediums: low, medium and high. Simply select on low. Now it will take some time and the whole interface and the graphics will be changed into low. Now if you go back, it has been completely changed. So the graphics is minimum and the gameplay will be smoother and you'll be able to play the game more easily and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.